guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. So on the front you can see the image of the phone, Mi 11X, and at the back the specifications of the phone are mentioned. So quickly we'll open the box. So first of all you can see this lid. Inside the lid we have SIM ejector tool and documentation like user guide. Next you get a silicone protective cover which will protect your phone from any harm. In addition, you will get USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Here we have the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. It gets a 20 megapixel selfie shooting lens on the front which promises detailed images. At